Wagwan guys, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Welcome back to another Poppy Show video. No son, I wonder we're tired, you know. But share forward, man, share forward.
Hi.
So you dress up, Sonny?
What do you mean, why I dress like this?
Well, you dress up like...
Oh, you haven't told them? We're doing a smash, pass, or married. So you don't know your girl, come prepared just in case I find a husband tonight. Does that look nice?
So you dress up just in case you find a husband?
You never know what card can play.
Alright, give me a second, guys.
So where are you going? What about this one? Take a drink.
Alright, guys, back again. Ready. Straight. So, you know what I worry about. We will see when
So nice.
when the lady them roll out. So guys, we're back with another video. You don't know it's your boy Poppy.
And your girl Toya.
Straight. So she said we gotta do a smash, pass, or
Married.
You see me I say? Straight. So as you know, Poppy not the two in the just smashing and passing them, you know what I mean? Poppy a good dude. We like we married to the lady. You see what I say? So we'll get into the video, but before
Like your shirt.
don't bother worry about it, man. Keep your hands to yourself. Before we get into the video, guys, we want to give a big shout out to one of our loyal supporter. Her name is Teresa Myers. Teresa, big up yourself.
Teresa Myers, big up yourself. We see you, girl. You are so supportive of the PoppyShowJA family.
Definitely.
And girl, trust me, you do your thing. We like you.
Yeah.
Keep it up.
Big up yourself. You support PoppyShowJA from day one. You see me I say?
As we drop a premiere, so
Yeah.
we can guarantee. So Teresa, if nobody else don't show up, Teresa
Teresa
Myers
over
they're
there.
on the spot waiting. So girl, we love you, we appreciate you, and thank you.
Big up yourself, Teresa. Also want to give a big shout out, right? So guys, you know we're married, right? And we just embrace marriages. We embrace the couple of them. We embrace the people and we know so the struggle really within the household. But I'm still a hold on, right? So I want to give a mega shout out to a couple. They're in Copperfield, St. James, right?
Yep.
They must celebrate 32
32
years
years.
of marriage, guys.
Yes.
32 years. It's going to be next week, though. March 25th. Round about that time. Either next week or the week after. But 32 years of marriage on March 25th. A couple from Copperfield, St. James. It's Mr. and Mistress Valerie and Garfield Ellis. Big up on yourselves. Right? We know it's not easy within the house and make it happen. You know what I mean? Continuously make it happen.
And may God continue to bless
Your
your
union.
union.
Yeah,
Yes.
right. And we will pray for you guys just as much as you guys are praying for us. So, Mrs. Valerie Ellis and Mr. Garfield Ellis, congratulations on 32 years of marriage when it comes. All right, big up on yourself. Subscribers, big up on yourself. New viewers, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it out, guys. I want it to be real fun. You understand me, I say?
I feel like tonight
Share
I'm
it
gonna
out.
find my husband.
Will you find your husband already?
New husband.
Shall we find another husband, guys? Another husband. But them not gonna nice time. You don't know the thing go. So you ready?
Born ready.
Alright. Who will go first? You?
You can go first.
Alright. Guys, so
So what we did, I chose my females for him and he chose the males for me.
yeah. So she have to tell me out of the people who may here who should have smash, who should have pass, and who should have married to. You understand what I say? Straight. But I know that she go want pass everybody now, guys. Cause you know, so there is nobody here but Poppy. You understand? Let's see what our answers are. So my first three is me I say some Jamaican comedian, right? Johnny from Lime Tree Lane. Wanna know Johnny? Titus. Don't know Titus. And Shabada.
Lord Jesus.
Johnny, Titus, Shabada. Who you the pass, smash and married?
Oh my gosh. Alright. Since I have to choose, I can't skip nobody, I have to choose, right?
Skip her.
I can't pass two persons.
Just skip on the rope now there, guys. Really?
Alright, so since I can't skip nobody, I like Shabada and cool and everything, but I just feel like say me and Shabada, me not the costing and Shabada look like him with Tracy and them something there. So, you know, me go pass on Shabada.
Okay, pass Shabada.
Yeah. Titus and Johnny. Yo, Titus funny, but Johnny was my first TV crush. So right there, so I don't know if I've ever told you before on Lime Tree Lane.
You can't remember.
Johnny, Johnny was my first TV crush. So guess what? Me I go marry Johnny and me go smash Titus. What do you think?
I don't think none of them. I think you pass the whole of them.
They didn't say me can't pass nobody.
Let me see, you can't skip nobody.
Me can't skip nobody.
You should have said pass for everybody. Alright, yeah. So you say you go married to Johnny,
Yes.
smash Titus, and pass Shabada.
Pass on Shabada, but Shabada big up yourself.
Alright.
Alright, so my category. Del Cita, Miss Donna, and Rose. Yes, Rose.
A joke thing. Yeah, pass.
No, everybody need loving. No, you not pass nobody here, so.
What the hell?
So,
Who?
Del Cita, Miss Donna, Rose. And Rose are hot topics, and nobody come go on like.
No, Rose. Rose have a buzz still, but.
Rose have a buzz. That me I tell you.
Alright. You said Miss Donna kinda I think Miss Donna have a nice heart, but too much people are not Miss Donna game. I not have a sleep a morning time. You see me? I can't work with Miss Donna. Yeah. So Miss Donna, but I probably smash Miss Donna and cut before morning. You know what I mean? You know, people start bang down the date and gone a long time.
So you smash that.
So I smash Miss Donna.
Alright.
You see me? Del Cita now. Del Cita have a buzz, you know. She can act, she can do her thing as a rotten teeth them.
Oh.
But me say when she not doing the acting, the teeth them go back to normal.
Right.
Yeah, you see me say? So me go marry Del Cita. You see me? Me go marry Del Cita. And Rose? Rose, big up yourself with expert, man. You don't know. Big up yourself. I pass, Rose.
Yo!
Rose are expert at do them thing. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Alright, my second round. Alright. American rappers, right? Kanye West. And the brother that was saying that I went for president. 50 Cent. And Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg. Dogg.
Kanye, 50 Cent, and Snoop.
Yeah.
Lord.
I'm real dog. Isn't it?
I like Snoop, him cool and everything. And I think he's been married for a long time, so I know him would make a good husband. But him too magado, man. Him too skinny. Yeah, too skinny for me. So I got pass on Snoop.
I pass Snoop?
I got pass Snoop. And then now Kanye have a mad about him, so I got just smash Kanye and I got marry 50 Cent.
I marry 50 Cent.
50 Cent have a boss, man. I marry 50 Cent.
Guys, I not like that game. I not like
Yes.
Alright, you're on your next round.
My round. Rihanna, Spice, or Shensia.
What? What the one now? Married?
Really?
Rihanna, Spice, or Shensia. Alright. Is it Spice still? No, I'm not lying. What Spice she did in the Obia thing?
Me no know.
Yeah. Now pass Spice, quick and fast.
Yeah, pass Spice?
Yeah. I don't like that brother they went. No. Pass Spice. And Spice not like ballad, man. Spice like Rasta, man. So Spice not ever stay with me. Yeah, she can have an eye on the Rasta them. So Spice, you get past quick and fast. Then Rihanna and Shensia?
Rihanna and Shensia.
Ah no.
Who you gonna smash and who you gonna marry?
You know what's up on a big man level. I think Rihanna is the married type. But Shensia and Rihanna are the smash type. You don't know. It's the two of them smashable like.
Yeah, but which one you gonna marry?
Two of them smashable, you know. Which one would I want to smash over and over?
Tell me more.
I'm going to marry to Rihanna.
Okay.
Yeah, man. I think me and Rihanna would make a nice couple. Shensia, no disrespect.
Yeah,
you see.
Rihanna make a nice couple.
Yeah, I think so. What do you think, guys? Shensia would have smashed you. No disrespect. You see me I say? You don't
Oh, you have
know.
to make it sound so you and Rihanna make
Yeah,
a
man.
nice couple.
I think me and Rihanna would make a nice couple. Man. Shower Bayesian. But baby, that the two we have a baby that be Bayesian. You see me? A Bayesian and a Jamaican and a baby named Bayjam. Hashtag Bayjam in the comment section. Guys. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Rihanna, big up yourself.
And they said it now?
Yes, I know.
Alright.
Next round.
Next round.
Alright. Next round, I gonna be.
No, me. Oh, you. Okay, go ahead.
Next round is American comedians. You see me?
Mm-hmm.
Chris Rock. No, Chris Rock had the G.
Chris Rock. Mm-hmm.
Chris Tucker.
Oh,
Man from Friday, you don't know. What?
okay. Go
Chris
on.
Tucker, the general man.
Go on.
And Dave Chappelle. 3 good comedians. Chris Rock, Chris Tucker, and Dave Chappelle.
Oh, my.
Mm-hmm.
I think those are 3 good choices.
3 good choices.
But who me go pass now?
Well, guys, we should be having earbuds when she did this.
Dave Chappelle. Him funny.
Mm.
And him have him head on him body, you see me? Very smart and intelligent.
Mm.
Chris Tucker. Why just too funny, Lord? You just gonna make me laugh just to get up in my sleep and laugh, like me not have no sense. And then Chris Tucker,
Chris Rock.
Chris Rock. Why just goofy, Lord, and the voice that we have. No, me go pass pan Tucker.
Yeah, pass pan
Me
Tucker.
pass pan Tucker.
Uh-huh.
Me go smash.
Chappelle or Chris Rock?
Me go smash Chappelle.
Uh-huh.
And me go marry the other one.
Chris Rock?
Chris Rock.
So like she not even know which one of them she want. Guys.
No, I come here to visualize the two of them because you put the two of them so close though.
Mm.
So anyways, I just say it there. But
All
me go
right.
smash Chappelle still.
Third round, yours.
Third round. Nicole TV.
Mm-hmm.
You know the slim chick there. Chrissy from the Carter Family Vlog. And Shay from King and Shay.
Nicole from Nicole TV, that girl there. Or the girl that have the one, like the ponytail thing and she go viral.
Mm-hmm.
John, no. Girl that will go viral because she have the secret. Yeah, she kinda look different, you know, from YouTube I go on for her. Alright, here what I go do. I got married to Nicole, you know.
I lie.
Yeah, man, Nicole, me married to, man. Nicole, me and you. Generally.
But honey, you don't like skinny girls, though. She's very skinny.
No, man, she
Like she stays so.
will put on weight. Who fat her up? You don't know the boss. So Nicole, me married to. And your choice or mine?
You don't say
So like she not even like me a pick
You
guy.
don't say nothing. Go on.
Nicole, me married to.
Mm-hmm.
I go smash Chrissy and cut, cause can't stick around. Same or
Same or?
yeah, you see me I say? I smash Chrissy and cut.
Watch the brother there.
Shay, no, me not pass pan Shay, cause me see Shay give king some box them more while. Shay, if you have a box me so. I last sprung. You see me I say?
I said Shay will murder you.
Yeah, you see me I say? You can't work with Shay. And Shay, you love a prank thing too much. I'm easy for frighten, you know what I mean? So pass Shay, smash Chrissy, and marry to Nicole.
Wow.
Yeah, I think
That's
I did
shocking.
good. No, I think
That's
I
really
did good.
shocking.
Yeah,
Because
that's
you don't
everything.
like skinny girls.
But
That's shocking.
no cook for her, man.
Alright.
Big up yourself. So like I tell you, know, like the choice I'm making, you know what I mean? But adapt me again. Yeah. So next now is mine. We have the Jamaican YouTuber them. You see me where I come from. So that is a good round now, man.
No, me not say
We
nothing.
look on Wayne Marshall. Marsheezy, you don't know. But do them thing.
Okay.
We look on Rapper Crapper. You see me? And say Rapper Crapper, Mr. Leonard White. You see me I say? Straight. And we are do Dirty Berry. You know that brother there?
Yeah, I know.
I say Honorable Bro God. give him some certificate or something like that. I go on.
Dirty Berry.
Boss comedic.
Rapper Crapper.
And Wayne Marshall.
And Wayne Marshall.
Yeah. Good choice then, right, guys? You know, Rapper Crapper. Sit down and watch a whole heap of things that go on in Jamaica.
But you watch too much.
Yeah.
No pass by it.
I pass by Rapper Crapper?
Yeah, no, pass by Rapper Crapper.
No. Because the man watch too much?
No, but I'm not attracted to Rapper Crapper, but big up yourself am I doing things.
Straight. Big up Rapper Crapper.
Yeah. But
So you pass Rapper Crapper. So we look on Dirty Berry and we look on Wayne Marshall.
Wayne Marshall.
Yeah.
And Dirty Berry. I like Dirty Berry smile still. I'm have a nice and teeth them well white and thing, but always every time I watch him I always admire his teeth.
You can still with your smash up.
So I think let me just take a one smash out for Wayne Marshall and then me go marry Dirty Berry.
Dirty Berry still the same way I'm married?
Don't worry about that. I may married to him. Teeth they white.
White teeth can't go shop.
But Wayne Marshall, me just take a quickie off him and just make him go on, isn't it?
Quickie. My darling. Alright, your turn.
Alright, so for me next is Wendy Williams, Monique, y'all know Monique, the American actress, and then Ellen DeGeneres.
Ellen DeGeneres?
Yeah.
Oh no. Alright. So Ellen's a nice lady still, man.
Oh, I love Ellen.
Sure, I love Ellen too. But Ellen, I'll be passing.
Oh.
I'll say hi when I pass. But I'll be passing.
Alright.
So I pass Ellen. What the next one? Wendy and Monique?
Wendy and Monique.
Jano. Wendy now. Wendy just went through a divorce, isn't it? Yeah, Wendy not ready to get married yet. Yeah, her mind in the right place right now. Wendy big up herself, you know what I mean? Yeah, she's not really ready for the marriage situation right now.
So you're gonna smash it?
Yeah, we just smash her. It's like a rebound thing.
Oh.
It will do our world a good.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
You just come out of a relationship, you want a little feel good factor.
Okay.
Boom, I want smash. You don't know? Alright. Monique now. Monique, I'm my type, you know?
Me know.
Yeah, Monique, you're my type. Big up yourself, Monique.
So you're
And she coming to the park, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, Monique. So me and you, straight.
On his tight.
Yeah, Las Vegas with him.
Okay.
Yeah, mad thing. Big up yourself.
Alright.
So Monique for married, Wendy for one smash, and Ellen, big up yourself.
Alright.
On the pass.
Alright, your category.
So the last category now, the last one, isn't it?
Because I have one after yours.
Yeah, last category, guys. That one is the best category. It's not the category I think she should have probably want to marry the one of them. That's why I felt bad when I was writing this category. Because I said, yo, Jano, the whole of them guys, yeah, don't know. Potential poppy them, isn't it? Big up on yourself.
Okay.
First guy is Tanto Blocks. Yeah, Twitter and Bluetooth. You know what I mean?
I thought you said these three that you're gonna pick next. They're like kind of like you. Oh,
no, but they're not still like me. I said them have marriage, puppy, you know, potential. Like, you know, the open, you know, you're married to puppy.
That's you think this?
Yeah, you see what I'm saying? Marriage potential, puppy potential. These are the kind of ones. So, well, you know, like Tanto Blocks.
So this me dress up for like.
Are you go dress up in them? I don't know where you come find her.
This
me say your son the best. Alright, next one is Gully Bop. Don't know. Gully Bop, yeah. Gully Bop are doing thing. You see me I say? Straight. Gully Bop. And last but not least, L.A. Lewis, 7-star general. 7! Get me?
Oh my God, why?
Tanto Blocks, Gully Bop.
Really? Look
Guys.
at me give some nice ladies.
The money them eat alright, man. Them and them ambitious, everybody at work. You understand me? I say no cruff, not on the list.
Are you serious? Or this is a prank?
No, prank. You can build a good foundation with these guys. Tanto, Gully Bop, and L.A. Lewis, 7-star general.
Alright. Lord Jesus, only really?
Really?
Why that one is hard?
No, man, I think that one is the best one.
You don't mean no good. Jesus.
I ain't have to describe nothing with them, you know. I don't want you know description. Okay? Come like you want to hurt.
Ain't nothing to describe on none of these three, I tell you that. But
Tanta Blacks,
hold on, man.
Twitter. Yeah. And Bluetooth and all these things.
Bluetooth, all
You see
the
me?
new shoes. No,
Yeah.
sir. Alright, so. Oh, God. Oh, God. No, sir. Don't
Don't.
have me away.
Trust me.
We need some.
Look, I should love you all of them. Alright, just tell me. Which one?
It's
Tanta.
like the most difficult decision I have to make in a long time.
You can't pick.
It's so bad.
John, she don't want to disappoint none of them guys.
But anyways, alright. Since I must. Gully Bop, me go pass you.
Pass Gully Bop.
Me go pass Gully Bop.
I mean, that's a Gully Bop are the married one in the guys. And I mean,
Me pass Gully Bop. I'm not gonna say why me a pass him.
maybe you sit up on the Gully.
Where on him?
Tanta Black.
Lewis, no. L.A. Lewis.
L.A. Lewis. 7-star general.
Why he mad doing it? He mad as shad. What am I gonna do with the L.A. Lewis now? You know what? Alright. Maybe even though I'm mad and whatever, maybe I can do a local thing. So, me take a one smash off of L.A. Lewis. Yes.
You know, so L.A. Lewis only wear white? Full suit of white?
And?
Yeah, man, your full suit of black in
I'm
America.
a full suit of black.
Yeah, you see
no,
me, I say?
no.
Black and white.
No. So I'm not gonna smash L.A. Lewis.
Alright.
Put that on record.
And you're married to Tanta?
But I said, Tanto? Yes, Tanto. Me a marry you.
And Taya in a full black.
Me a marry you. Twitter.
So-
Me a marry Tanto.
Taya black.
Me a marry
Tanto black.
You can just imagine like we go on a vacation and I just pure joke. I just, yo, crazy fun and laughter.
Want to baby with that?
On a vacation,
Want to baby with
they
that?
can't board.
Want to baby with that? Want to baby with
I'm
that?
not lying, but I have some, even though my time is huge, but I open it up for contest still, I'm not lying.
Baby, them are named Baby Blacks.
Or Tanto, seriously, or to every man name what you call, me will marry him. Yes, me will marry
So I
him.
feel Tanta, guys.
Yes, me I feel
Okay.
Tanto. I'm a buzz, I like him.
Alright.
Him funny, him nice.
True. And him have Twitter. You can post it upon him Twitter.
Yes.
Alright, here we go.
Alright, so my last and final round. Miss Judy,
Miss Judy.
Judge Judy,
Oh, Judy.
Judy, Lynn Toller,
Judge Lynn Toller. She had the divorce court lady.
yes, and Lauren Lake, she's from Paternity, Judge Lauren Lake.
So paternity court, divorce court, civil court. I'm not sure you want to keep me in a line. Alright. You know, I'm going to rule out right away. I'm going to pass on the divorce court one. Who that? Lynn Toller?
Lynn Toller.
Yeah, I'm going to pass on she.
You
Yeah,
pass on
yeah,
Lynn
yeah, I'm going to pass on she, guys. She know too much rules about the couple thing. You know what I mean? So if I give her all one smash, she go to assume. I don't know, you know what I mean? I probably violate some kind of rule, some kind of law. So I'm afraid of she. She know too much, you know what I mean, in the divorce couples, and I'm afraid of her. So I'm going to pass she straight.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, Judge Judy now, I'm going to smash she and cut. Yeah, man, because I must say she has
You know what, Maria?
No,
Guys,
it's a Judge Judy.
honey lover.
Yeah, me love how
Judy.
she discipline everything in
my
order.
Goodness.
Me love how she discipline and have everything in order. But let me say, me girl even drink out a cup and left it on the sink, guys.
Yeah, man,
Yeah, you know what I mean? Me not like that.
You can't even finish that sentence.
And she was say, you think they pay me because I'm beautiful? I can't do that, you know what I mean?
She too much.
Yeah, so I'm going to smash
Yeah,
she and
just
I'm going
smash
to
she, yeah.
Then the paternity court lady now, she who again, Lauren Lake.
Lauren Lake.
She make a marriage. Here I know. She not give me the jacket. She not give me the jacket, man. She sick and tired of seeing DNA test.
Okay.
She just want to keep the
So you
thing
don't have to
real.
worry yourself.
Yeah, she want to keep the thing real. She don't want to care about go do no DNA test. She don't want to see another
No
DNA
vest,
test.
no jacket.
Yeah, you see me I say you don't know Texas too warm. We can't work with the jacket them. So, Lauren Lake, you me a marry. Does it I come from? Yeah, good.
So
decision.
out of all the women mentioned, who would you say is your top?
Person for marrying?
Yes, because in the first round you chose Delcita for married to, Rihanna for married to, Nicole TV for married to Monique, and then Lauren Lake. So out of all those 5 women,
who me are married?
which one?
You are married?
Bottom line, yeah.
Rihanna.
Say.
Me are married Rihanna straight, what?
Okay.
Yeah, man. Me are married Rihanna straight. Bay Jam, me think the Bay Jam. Hashtag Bay Jam. So you know, you choose Tanto Blacks to marry to, 50 Cent to marry to, Johnny for marry to, Chris Rock for marry to, right? And you say you're married Dirty Berry. So who would be your top person?
Who would be my top person?
Yeah. What are everybody who you're married to?
Twitter! You know what? Me don't want to say 50 Cent, but 50 Cent, I'm not give me that. Listen, guys, it's not all about money. You understand what I'm saying? Life is not just about money.
Right, it's about
if you can find someone who just love you, can make you laugh, and I'm telling you, man.
So Tanto Blacks?
Tanto Blacks. No,
guys,
Tanto Blacks.
comment. What do you think about that?
Me and married, me don't care when nobody wants to say in this comment section here. At Tanto Blacks, me am married too.
Okay, guys, when you hear it straight.
Love and laughter.
Guys, this was fun. It was kind of epic. You know what I mean? Straight. If you don't love it, thumbs it up. Please, share it out, man. Share it out, guys. Share it out. Show somebody.
Jesus.
Tell me if you don't love it. You know what I mean?
No,
comment down below and make you know what you think about it. And if you don't subscribe to Poppy Show yet, make sure you subscribe, guys. Please subscribe. Tell somebody about us. Believe me, we are doing some content where everybody can watch. You understand where I come from? That's our goal. Remember, with Christ, all things are possible. You understand what I say?
Amen.
All things are possible. So this is another Poppy Show video, guys. And until next time, you don't know Poppy Show love on us straight. So big up on yourself, guys. She said she want a kiss. I don't know if she want a kiss. And Tanta good or watch. You know what I mean?
Last kiss, man.
Last one?
Yes. You better kiss me good, cause you don't know. You see, you're shy. You see, for the Tanta, I know the Tanta would shy, you know.